So you can go into Blackboard either through the app on your iPad or through ClassLink. If you go in through ClassLink, it's going to actually open Blackboard in Safari. So I'll go ahead, open my Blackboard, and navigate to the class that I would like to submit my work to. Mine is right here. I'm going to go into the learning module where my assignment is. I'm going to go ahead and say either start attempt or start assignment. I'm going to read my instructions and I'm going to answer my questions if there are any. Down here where it says additional content, I have a text box. Within this text box, I can type any responses that I might need or a note to the teacher. When I want to attach the things that I've done or examples of my work, I'm going to tap the little plus button and say attachment. I can pick now if I want to attach something from my photo library, if I want to take a photo or video right now, or if I want to choose a file. I'm going to start by going to my photo library and grabbing a photo and a video that I was told that I need to attach. I'll tap on them and then I'll say add. Here you can see they've dropped right into my submission so that I can see my work. Now let's say I want to grab one of those Notability files from before. I'm going to go into my attachments and then instead of saying photo library or take photo, I'm going to say choose files. Now you can see I have access to both my note and my book creator. When I'm ready, I can say open, and it will attach both of those directly to my screen. When I am all done with my work and I am ready to submit, I'm going to find the little submit button in the bottom right corner. And there it is. I've submitted an assignment on Blackboard with text, videos, and images from my Photos app, as well as files that I've saved from Notability and Book Creator. Let's say I wanted to do the same thing, but I prefer using the Blackboard app. I'm going to go ahead and find the class that I would like to use, find my assignment, and the starting point of this is the same. I'm going to go ahead and say start. In here I can see my instructions, answer any of the questions that I want, and I can still find that little plus button. When I'm ready to put things in, I can say insert files, and I get the same options: photo library, take photo or video, or choose file. I'll start with my photo library just like I did before. I'll grab a couple photos and videos, say add, and wait for those to upload. If I wanted to add my files from Notability or Book Creator, I'm going to go ahead and say insert files again, but instead I'll choose my files. From here, I can click the files that I would like from Notability and Book Creator, upload those as PDFs or a video file, depending on what my teacher asked for. And then when I'm ready, I can say submit. I'll go ahead and say submit. There it is, and I am done. I have successfully turned in my assignment. As you can see, no matter if you're using the Blackboard app or using Blackboard through Safari by clicking through ClassLink, you have the ability to submit files from all of the different apps and tools that you might use to a Blackboard assignment.